Hey guys, Anson here from Ivey's Homestead. Good morning. Yeah, I'm sitting here in the dark. It's roughly 6:15 in the morning. The sun hasn't even come up yet. I'm sitting here in the parking lot at work. So sometimes I like to get up a little earlier, that way, 'cause I have to sit in traffic regardless. It's a military base. People are getting here early, or some people have to start at this time. But driving into work this morning, I just had to record some footage of driving because it just seems like so many people are in a rush. I mean, they're going through their life and they're just in a rush, and it kind of not really dawned on me, but just stuff that I've known before is, you can't rush through life. You need to slow down and enjoy it. That old adage is to slow down and smell the roses, right? I mean, I'm not a rose type fan. I like more of the wildflowers. Slow down, smell the wildflowers. Just don't rush through life. Take it day for day. Enjoy it. Enjoy the ride. Because in the grand scheme of things, right, our life isn't that long. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this clip. It's a couple minutes, and you'll see, and try to count how many cars pass me, and then towards the end of it, you'll see how fast I'm driving, and it's a little over the speed limit. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, just count, and then you guys tell me, in your neck of the woods, how people drive there, because here it's just crazy. All right. I got my cruise control set. You can see 60. Speed limit's 55, y'all. And you just saw what that car just did. Every day, every morning. How many cars pass me? How many cars pass me? There's no reason to rush through life, y'all. You need to slow down. And see, there you go. I told you. Everyone's just rushing through life. They're in a hurry to get to work. I guess they love their jobs that much. I don't know. I just needed to put out something just a little different. I was just reflecting on life, I guess, as I was coming into work today. And just, don't rush through life. Enjoy it. All right. So, if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, hit that thumbs up, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye now.